What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do the install of my side skirts for the C7. I got these from eBay. Pretty good finish. Carbon flash. It should be a pretty straightforward install. All you're gonna need, well, first of all, the kit comes with self-tapping screws, so use all these. And got these rivets all down the whole front splitter. Then when you get to the end, you got that 7mm, and that's what's going to hold up your side skirt. I'm going to use Gorilla double-sided tape to do this install. So I'm not showing all this stuff. I'm doing all this stuff off camera. Just tell y'all what exactly to do. I'm just going to do the rivets. That's like the worst. It sucked doing taking out rivets. But just drill through the rivet. Let's see. Just take a drill. Just drill through it, or you can take a flathead, wedge it in here, and knock it through. I'm actually going to do the drill through and afterwards wedge the flathead through here to knock it out. And then again, the 7mm to the end. And double side, well, clean the surface when you take it off. I'm going to show you that. And add my double-sided tape to the new side skirt and then put it on. I recommend having somebody to do this. My girlfriend helping me do this. And yeah, again, straightforward install. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, so that's what I did. I'm gonna show you what it looked like. I can see that. And use that 7mm, just put that back. But that's the video. Overall, easy install. Good product, good fitment. I'll put a link in the description for these set of side skirts. Again, thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Until next time.